Hi and welcome back to Chip's Green World. Let's jump straight in and have a look at the arch to see how well it's filling in after we tied it all in last week. Looking pretty good. Some beautiful colours starting to appear in the garden. If anyone could tell me what this one is, answers down below. Now to look down in the courtyard where the acer is revealing all its lovely leaves. And now onto the other tree down in the courtyard that needs a good prune today. It's the olive tree in the centre. Need to take about a foot off the top of this, just to encourage all new growth down below. Being careful of not to catch the wires as all these lights are still on the tree. An olive tree loves a good prune, and by the time I'm finished pruning this there will be no greenery on it whatsoever, but it will do it the world of good. Last little bit, there we go, before, after, and yes, the lights still work. And now on to the other four trees, the home oaks in the middle of the main garden. Spot the difference. So I'm not 100% sure what's happened to this, but I've got a feeling it's got bunged up, waterlogged, and then froze over winter and killed the whole root system. So it's very sad, and now I've got to work out the new design as this is no longer possible. So that'll be a vlog for a future date. Another future job is the main path into the main garden. This was done temporarily about 5 years ago. Recycling all the old offcuts, all the old beams, all the old fence posts. But over the years it started to rot away. It started to look a bit untidy, so it's time for a revamp. So this will be the next job in the garden, weather permitting. The aqualegia is starting to blossom, looking beautiful. Rhododendrons ready to burst. Then on to a little blue tit in the apple tree. Seems to be building a little nest in the potting shed wall. Or at least that's what I thought until I saw this.
Somebody screamed, thief!
He's either cleaning his nest out or he's taking stuff from somebody else's nest.
Freeze, caught red-handed.
Now on to the forget-me-nots, which I'll never forget about. Looking absolutely beautiful, lush, green, and putting their little flower heads out. And a quick look at the two new little trees in the courtyard that have survived winter very well. My two little pines. And now a last look at the beautiful white tulips, as this will be the last time we see them. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Are you looking at me? What are you looking at? Are you looking at me? So that's a goodbye from me, a goodbye from Spud. Have a great week, everybody. Hopefully see you next week. Bye now.